then you got no choice but melting into their pot.
Every time I come home, I gotta put it on.
There's only one road in and one road out. One road in and one road out, Reno.
He has always been better than average in what he does because that's how he's always been, ever since he was a little kid. So, but then again, he was too smart.
All right, so the funniest thing is I do comedy, but I was accepted to law school. And I didn't go, but my dad still framed the acceptance letter to prove I was almost a really successful person.
Dad, I'm gonna go start working as a comedian in the bottom of the barrel for a very, very little money. The answer was his choice. He wanted to do it, and I support him all the way through.